Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're absolutely welcome. If you've been following me for a little bit, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Today's video is quite different. I'm gonna show you guys how to make an authentic seafood boil. If you're like me and you love food, this video is definitely for you. This recipe is like super yummy. You're gonna really love it. If you guys try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm super pumped and excited to show you guys this recipe. So stay tuned, enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your family and friends. These are the spices that you're going to need. I have cayenne pepper. This is garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper. This is gonna be really good for it. This is one of the major ingredients that you need. This is the Old Bay seasoning. You need paprika, chili powder. Basil leaves is like optional. If you want, you can add it, but if not, I mean, you can skip it, but I like to put it. This is black pepper. You're also gonna need the Cajun seasoning. This is like super important. So these two seasoning, the Old Bay, the Cajun seasoning are really, and the lemon pepper seasoning are very important in this recipe. You're gonna need lemon. I have the one in a bottle. If you have fresh lemon, you can definitely use that, but if not, this will work super great. And you're also gonna need minced garlic. I got the one in a bottle. If you have the fresh garlic, you can just like mince it up and cut it up however you like it. You can add hot sauce, but this is not like, I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can add. I have the Texas Pete hot sauce. And you are going to need brown sugar, and the brown sugar is just to blend everything together, like, you know, blend all the seasoning together. And you're gonna need some butter or margarine. I have the Country Crock brand. Yeah, we've already used that. You're gonna need sausage. If you like to add sausage, you can, but if not, if you don't want to add it, it's totally fine. The brand that I'm using is, this is it, Chicken Sausage by Jimmy Sebastiano, I believe. We got this from Sam's Club. Anyways, I have some eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and boil this egg in a little bit and I'll show you guys. This is 2.5 pounds of shrimp. It has the shell in. I like to cook it with the shell in because it just has so much more flavor when you do that. Yeah, I already washed my shrimp. Over here I have my potato. So this is the kind of potato that I used. I went ahead and I washed it and I cut it up. If you have the red potato, you can go ahead and use that. I think that's gonna be totally fine. And I have some corn in a quart, the yellow kind. So yeah, if you have the white kind, I believe that should work, but this is the type that I have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna begin by boiling my potato. I'm gonna boil my potato first, and then after about 10 minutes, I'll add the corn in it. And then after maybe about 10 minutes, I'm gonna add a little bit of the sausage just to steam it up for a little bit. And then I'll show you guys the next steps. I'm gonna go ahead and boil the egg. Okay, so I'm cooking with a very big pan, a very big pot. And I went ahead and I filled this pot with water until that level. And then I'm just gonna let this water boil over, and then I'll add the potato in it. While the water is boiling over in this pot, I have 7 eggs in there. I'm just gonna let it cook on its own, and then I'll set it aside. And yeah. Okay, so I've added the potato, and I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm just gonna eyeball the amount of salt I'm adding, just enough salt to give it a little flavor for the water, I guess. I'm also gonna add a little bit of adobo all-purpose seasoning. We got this from Sam's Club. Just gonna add. You know, we Africans, we don't know how to measure stuff. We just add until our ancestors say stop right there. So, okay. So we're gonna continue boiling this. I'm gonna boil this for about 10 minutes and then I'll add the corn. So the potato has been boiling for about 10 minutes. So I went ahead and I removed the potato. It is not done. It's not done yet. It's still like, it needs a little bit more before it's done. So you don't want to cook it all the way. And I put in the corn. So the corn is in here. I'm going to boil it for like 10 minutes. And then I'll show you the next step. The corn has been boiling for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the pot. Okay, so I went ahead and I took the corn out of the pot. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the sausage and the shrimp. So here is the shrimp and here is the sausage. I'm just gonna throw it inside this. Okay, so I've taken out the shrimp and the sausage. You wanna make sure you just boil the shrimp and sausage for approximately 2 minutes. You don't wanna go more than 2 minutes because the shrimp is gonna get really soft and you do not want that to happen. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the lemon pepper. Of the garlic powder. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the Old Bay seasoning. Gonna add 1 tablespoon of the chili powder. And you can adjust the amounts based on how you like it. This is paprika. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of that. And you're also gonna need black pepper. You can add like a little bit, honestly, not even up to. I add a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and add Cajun spice in the mix. Okay, so I added this much margarine. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want. That's totally up to you. All right, so just let that melt over. So while the butter is melting, go ahead and preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. Okay, so the butter is fully melted and I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of the minced garlic. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of that. Alright guys, so this has been sizzling for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the spices that we mixed up earlier. I'm just gonna dump that into the bowl. And stir it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some hot sauce. This is the hot sauce. So guys, my camera died, so I just went ahead and just poured the sauce over everything. As you can see, I put the eggs too. My mom bought some crab legs on her way back home, so it was kind of impromptu. I just added that last minute. The crab legs were already cooked, so I didn't have to do anything. I just threw that inside it. This is what the sauce looks like, and I just poured the sauce over it and just mixed everything together. And now we're gonna throw it in the oven. My oven is actually at 390. You can do 350 or 390 or 400, doesn't matter, but I'm gonna cook this for maybe 20 minutes. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. It looks really good. Go ahead and cover it up with, I'm gonna cover it up with a foil and just cook it for about 20 minutes. So I'm checking this after 10 minutes of being in the oven. And just so I tell you guys, I went ahead and I added some cheese to it. Like I just threw in like a block of cheese in here. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just want it to be extra a little bit, I guess. If you have parsley, you can actually put that if you want to, but so guys, this is done and this is what it looks like. This looks really good, like really good, really amazing. You guys should try this out. You're definitely going to love it.